Hey guys, welcome back to Strategically Small, and in this video I'm going to be giving you some updates on the studio apartment. As you can see here, I was able to mount a 32-inch TV in the middle. This was the original design plan. And at the top, I have the iron rod, which the curtains will lay on so that I could slide them back and forth very easily. So I'm happy with the end result there. As you remember, I am designing a sofa bed, and this is the original design that I was inspired by IKEA to do this design for my apartment. It just fits my lifestyle a little bit better because I am on the sofa a lot during the day for work, and when I need the bed, I can just slide out that bottom piece and turn it into a bed. So let me show you the update. I had a local Rwandan do this design. He's still working on it, but the major pieces have been completed. So here we are. This is the sofa that he designed. As you can see, that bottom piece that slides out is not there because he's still working on that piece, but everything else is completed. These two pieces of foam are from Rwanda foam, very thick and comfortable. I'm going to be using these to put on top of the sofa bed when I pull out that bottom piece for the bed. And of course, this also came with some storage underneath the L shape here. So when I lift up this piece, I have another large piece of Rwanda foam that I will be putting on top so that I will be laying on all of those at nighttime. And I'll just put a fitted mattress sheet over it, and that will be extra padding. The sofa itself is already very comfortable. Actually, I don't need extra padding, but it's always good to have it. This is the carpet that I discovered in some random shop here in Kigali. I was happy with that. And this fabric I'm going to cover this ottoman with. This was a bonus that the designer gave me. I didn't order this, but he was very kind to do that for me. So let's go to the curtains. As you can see, I have curtains here that cover the screen door, and then I also have the curtains that fully cover the closet, okay? So everything is hidden if you want it to be. And I like that the curtains for the closet, this is the original design that I was inspired by. So I can pull back and forth the curtains as needed. My design was a little bit different. So as you can see, I split it down the middle because the TV is in the center so that I can see the TV. If I want to hide everything else, it's fully hidden behind the curtains. And I'm very happy with how this turned out. And as you can see, it's very easy to slide back and forth on the rods, and very happy. Now the bottom, I did leave a little bit of room because I didn't want the white to be sweeping the floor. So it is a little bit higher on this side, but I'm fully fine with how it turned out. So yes, I have not unpacked yet, so I will be getting to that, but I wanted to get the structure of the closet ready, and then I will proceed to unpack my clothes. But yeah, very easy to move back and forth. Love it. And if you're interested in more designs like this, I would advise you to check out the channel on YouTube, Never Too Small. They have so many ideas for tiny spaces that I find to be very inspiring. So definitely check them out. I will link that video below in the description if you're interested. So yeah, you could see there's a little bit of room, but it's better to be a little bit higher than to be too close. So the inside of the curtains is this satin material. As you can see, the curtains themselves are pretty heavy. And what I would like to do on the outside is to do a mud cloth design. This is something that I just think would look very nice. So something like what's in this picture here. There's so many ideas that you can find online for mud cloth, but I will get a paint that can be easily washed in the washing machine, and I will do my own DIY design on the curtains. Since it's just plain white, I would like to just spruce it up a little bit with some mud cloth design. So that's what I will be doing, and I'll keep you posted on that. Of course, I will show you everything as I'm going along. Next, we're going to Tugirimana Woodworks, and this is a very unique store where they have handcrafted wood items that are all made in Rwanda. So very beautiful items. If you go to their website, you can get a little bit of history to see where they source the wood and how they employ their workers. It is just absolutely stunning. So, of course, me being a lover of wood, as you can see, my whole closet is wood. I had to get a few wood pieces. So, this stool I got from them. I will be getting a second one. They didn't have it available when I went to the shop, so I have to wait for maybe a week or two. But yeah, this is a very beautiful stool that goes perfectly here in my bar area. So I'm very, very happy to find this one. And this is a plate that I got from them. I got maybe 3 or 4 plates from them. I love the wooden texture here. And the real beauties are these cutting boards. So this is a very large one. It's very sturdy, but as you can see, look at the grain on here. It's just fascinating. So this is one that I got, and I got a second one. And as you can see, it's very heavy, so I had to put it down. That's very sturdy. And the second one there is in the shape here. It's the teardrop shape. I love it. I will be using these all the time, and I was told all I have to do is after several months apply a layer of beeswax to just bring it back to its natural texture. And so I got some beeswax and I'll be doing that. And I got a large bowl. This is like a large salad bowl, but you can eat anything out of there as well. So I thought that would be very convenient for a lot of different things. Excuse the mess in the kitchen. Guys, remember to share, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you're enjoying the updates. Be blessed. Bye.